Okay, so we have our start item curve, and in start item curve, we perform all these actions, including calling set item state. Now, if we go up to set item state, we'll see that we set the item state enum variable, and then we call set item properties. And this handles setting the properties for our components, such as their collision presets. Let's go ahead and go to the definition for set item properties. And we'll see that we have our pickup state, our equipped state, and our falling state, and we're ready to add a state for our interping. So let's add that case here. So here at the bottom, we're going to say case e item state, and we're going to use equip interping. Now let's put a break right at the bottom, so that way we'll break at the end of this state. So what are we going to do for equip interping? Well, the first thing I want to handle is getting our pickup widget, and I'm going to call set visibility and set it to false because we don't want our widget to be showing up on the screen when we're interping. Now, next we want to set the collision properties for our mesh, our area sphere, and our collision box. Now, if we go up and we'll take a look at the equipped state, we'll see that in the equipped state, simulate physics is false, enable gravity is false, and the collision response to all channels is ignore, and collision enabled is no collision. And we also set the mesh visibility to true. Now, we should already have it set to true, but we can still set that Boolean to true. There won't be any harm in doing that. So we can go ahead and copy these mesh properties, and we can put these down here for the equip interping state. Now next we want to set the properties for area sphere and collision box. Now if we look up in the falling state, we'll see that the area sphere and collision box set the properties for collision response to ignore all channels and set the collision enabled to no collision. And that's exactly what we want when we're interping. We don't want these collision volumes to overlap and trigger any events. So we're going to go ahead and copy those and paste them in here. So equip interping will set the pickup widget's visibility to false and handle item mesh and area sphere and collision box collision preset. So that's going to take care of the set item properties function for the interping case. So we'll go ahead and compile this and wrap this video up. And in the next video, we'll continue implementing our item interping state.